Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw an Among Us Chewbacca skin. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Chewbacca Among Us character, we're going to begin with the little face mask. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to come up. It's going to curve around, and then it's going to come down to here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up here to connect it. Now, starting about here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up, and then down again. And I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over here. And I'm going to draw a couple little lines down here. Next, I'm going to start up here. We're going to draw the back of him. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go back, and then it's going to come down like this. I'm going to make another one that's going to go back and come down. And I'm going to make a couple more like this, just to make him look like he's really furry. Now, starting here, I want to connect these two lines. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to connect at a diagonal. Then I'm going to draw a straight line down and a straight line down. Then I'm going to connect these two. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a couple more little zigzag lines down. And I'm going to make a few zigzag lines right across here. Then I'm going to go up here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line across. And I'm going to draw a line down with a few more kind of little zigzag lines. Next, I'm going to make a couple zigzag lines that come up here. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to draw some little V shapes for some teeth. And I'm going to draw a couple little triangles over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. And I'm going to make a couple little pointy lines on here. And then I'm going to bring it back to here to make it look like it's kind of furry. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little black oval shape for a nose. Now, right inside of here, I'm just going to make some little rectangle shapes all along here, just to show a little bit of detail on his little sash that he's got. So we're just going to make a few little rectangle shapes right in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Chewbacca Among Us character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.